Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an amazing collab hosted and organized by my sweet friend Jessica Maros and a bunch of other amazing ladies. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I am doing some DIY crafts that you can make for fall to save you some coins. Love a good DIY. I hope you guys enjoy this video. They're affordable and easy to make, and you can literally make these under 10 minutes. Thank you guys for being here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment down below, and give this video a thumbs up. I'm so excited for you guys to be here. Let's get started. For my first DIY craft, I'm making this huge plush pumpkin. I'm going to show you guys two different ways that you can make this pumpkin. All the products that I got were from Target or Amazon. Got this blanket for $5 from Target. The stones are from Amazon. The filling is from Walmart. The elastic I've had around my house for years. You do not have to cut the blanket. I wish I hadn't cut it in the beginning, because you could easily take it out and use the blanket as its intended use once fall was over. But I cut it without thinking first and I regret it. I add the stones just for weight. It's not needed. For the stem, I'm using the rope I got from Dollar Tree, and that completes this first look. You can easily undo this and reuse the product to make another pumpkin, or as I said before, use the blanket as its intended use, as a blanket or whatever. It's so easy to undo. Have enough rope. I ran out of rope, so I had to take the rope off the stem and I used the twine to wrap it. That's the most time-consuming part, using the twine, because the stem was huge. I could cut the blanket, but I did not want to cut the blanket. As I said before, I want to reuse it for something else, so I did not want to cut it. But you can obviously cut the blanket to shorten the stem if you want. If you guys are new here and are coming over from any of the other ladies' channel, welcome. My name is Tarisha. I'm a stay-at-home mom of 2, and on this channel you can find tons of cleaning motivation and weekly shop with me. I'm so happy to have you guys here. I'd appreciate it if you would subscribe and join my community. And if you guys are going over to any of the other ladies' channel, please let them know that I sent you there. The playlist is linked in my description box. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoy this video. including the shelf, will be linked in my Amazon storefront in my bio in case you see something that's of interest to you. Some of the stuff I got from Hobby Lobby, Marshalls, or Target, and these books are from the Dollar Tree.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really?
And if you made it this far, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you got some inspiration to decorate for fall and to do some fun DIY, and you can do these crafts with your kids. Until next time, guys, have a blessed day, blessed week, blessed month, and a fabulous year. I love you guys, and don't forget to check out the playlist linked in my description box.